Welcome back to the channel. Valuable Coin History Top 3 1 Penny 2005 and 5 Pence Elizabeth 2001 The One Dame 1993 Today, we're diving deep into the history, value, and fascinating details of the 2005 United Kingdom 1 penny coin. Whether you're a numismatist, a casual collector, or just curious about the change in your pocket, this video is for you. Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about this common yet interesting coin. The British 1 penny coin has a long and rich history, dating back to the decimalisation of the UK's currency in 1971. Before this, the British penny was part of the pre-decimal system, where 12 pennies made up a shilling and 240 pennies equaled £1. However, in 1971, the UK adopted the decimal system, making 100 pennies equal to £1. Now, let's take a closer look at the 2005 1 penny coin. This particular coin features Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse, with a fourth portrait of Her Majesty, designed by Ian Rank-Broadley. This portrait was introduced in 1998 and remained in use until 2015. Surrounding the portrait, you'll see the Latin inscription, Elizabeth II DG Reg. FD 2005. This translates to Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Flipping to the reverse, we have the iconic portcullis design with chains, originally from the Palace of Westminster. This symbol was first introduced on the penny in 1971 and was designed by Christopher Ironside. The inscription reads, 1 penny. This design remained until 2008, when a new reverse featuring a section of the royal shield was introduced. The 2005 UK 1 penny coin is made of copper-plated steel, giving it a reddish-brown appearance. Before 1992, pennies were made of bronze, but due to rising metal costs, the Royal Mint switched to a more cost-effective material. Here are the key specifications: diameter, 20.3 mm, weight, 3.56 grams, thickness, 1.65 mm. Plain point. One interesting fact about these steel pennies is that they are slightly magnetic due to their iron content. Try placing one near a magnet and you'll see what I mean. Now let's talk about value. Because the 2005 1 penny was minted in large quantities, it is quite common. However, its value varies based on condition and demand. Circulated condition. Face value 1 penny. Uncirculated condition. Around 50 pence to £1. Proof versions can be worth £5 or more. If you happen to have an error coin, such as one with a misprint or a misaligned die, it could be worth significantly more to collectors. Before we wrap up, here are a few fun facts about the UK 1 penny coin. The portcullis symbol links to the UK Parliament and represents strength and security. In 1992, the material was changed from bronze to copper-plated steel. The penny is legal tender for amounts up to 20p, meaning you can't use an unlimited number of them to pay for something legally. These small but mighty coins hold a wealth of history, and that's everything you need to know about the 2005 UK 1 penny coin. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more coin-related content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to also. Let me know in the comments below. Do you have any rare or interesting coins in your collection? I'd love to hear about them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome back to channel named Valuable Old Coin History. Today, we're diving into the history, value, and details of the 2001 United Kingdom 5 pence coin featuring Queen Elizabeth II. Whether you're a numismatist, a coin collector, or just curious about currency, this video is for you. The 5 pence coin was first introduced in 1968 as part of Britain's decimalisation process, replacing the shilling. It maintained the same size and weight as the old shilling until 1990, when it was reduced in diameter to its modern form. The 2001 version belongs to this new generation of smaller 5 pence coins. Now, let's take a look at the design. The obverse side features the fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank-Broadley. His initials, IRB, can be found just below the Queen's neck. This portrait was introduced in 1998 and was used until 2015. On the reverse, we see the traditional crowned Scottish thistle, a design created by Christopher Ironside. The words 5 pence are inscribed below, while the outer edge remains smooth without milling, For those interested in specifications, the 2001 5 pence coin has a diameter of 18.00 millimeters, a weight of 3.25 grams, a composition of copper nickel, 75% copper, 25% nickel, a thickness of 1.7 m. Now let's talk about value. The 2001 5 pence coin is relatively common, as millions were minted for circulation. Most circulated examples are worth their face value of 5p. However, uncirculated or proof versions may be worth more to collectors, ranging from £1 to £5, depending on condition. If you have one in a sealed mint set, it could be worth even more. Did you know that the smaller 5 pence coin introduced in 1990 saved the UK millions in metal costs? Or that the original shilling, which it replaced, remained legal tender until 1990? These small coins hold a fascinating place in British monetary history. To identify a valuable 5 pence coin, check for errors, mint marks, or proof finishes. Look for misstrikes, double strikes, or off-center designs. These could make your coin rare and increase its value. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2001 UK 5 pence coin. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more numismatic content. Have a rare coin in your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy collecting. Here is your full YouTube script about the 2001 UK 5 pence coin. Let me know if you'd like any modifications or additional details. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history and value of the 1993 US dime. Whether you're a coin collector, history buff, or just curious about the change in your pocket, stick around as we explore everything you need to know about this small yet significant coin. Before we get into the value of this coin, let's take a quick look at its history. The US dime has been an essential part of American currency since 1796. The design we see today, known as the Roosevelt dime, was introduced in 1946 to honor President Franklin D. Roosevelt. The 1993 dime continues this legacy, featuring Roosevelt's profile on the obverse and a torch, olive branch, and oak branch on the reverse, symbolizing liberty, peace, and strength. Now, let's talk about the specifications of the 1993 dime. This coin is made of a copper-nickel-clad composition, meaning it has an outer layer of 75% copper and 25% nickel, with a pure copper core. It weighs 2.268 grams and has a diameter of 17.91 millimeters. Like all US dimes, it features a reeded edge, which was originally designed to prevent counterfeiting and clipping. In 1993, dimes were minted at 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Here's how to identify where your dime was made. Philadelphia Mint. No mint mark. These dimes have no mint mark and were produced in large quantities. Denver Mint. D mint mark marked with a D. These were also mass-produced. San Francisco Mint. S mint mark. These are special proof coins made for collectors and were not released into circulation. If you find an S-minted 1993 dime in your pocket change, you might have something special. Alright, let's talk about value. Most circulated 1993 dimes are worth their face value of 10 cents. However, uncirculated and proof versions can be worth more. Circulated, common condition 10 cents, 50 cents. Uncirculated, MS60. MS65 $1 to $5. Proof, PR69, PR75 to $20. Rare errors. Some error dimes, like off-center strikes or double dies, can be worth $50 to several $100s depending on the error type. If you have a pristine 1993 proof dime with deep cameo contrast, it could fetch a higher premium among collectors. If you're interested in collecting dimes, here are a few tips. Look for mint condition coins. Coins with fewer scratches and strong luster are worth more. Check for mint errors. Misprints and striking errors can significantly increase a dime's value. Store your coins properly. Use protective holders to keep them in top shape. Get your coins graded. Professional grading services like PCGS or NGC can help authenticate and determine the value of rare coins. So, there you have it, the full story of the 1993 US dime. While most are worth only 10 cents, uncirculated and proof coins can have added value, especially if they have errors or are in perfect condition. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin-related content. Have you found a rare 1993 dime? Let us know in the comments below. I've created a full YouTube script covering the 1993 US dime's history, value, and key details. Let me know if you need any tweaks or additional sections.